So today, wala naman ni refill para silang bubbles.
Come on, no inside.
I know. Excited na sila. So, they're gonna big bubbles today. Here's your kids flossers. Here's your flosser, diba? I think two. I get two. The floss. Whoa, look at that. The bubbles. It's red and blue, the Venuga's favorite color. And this one, I think, I forget what's that. What did I order?
The bubble.
No, I didn't order yet. So this one is the concentrated bubble solution. So this is the one we're refilling here, okay?
Okay.
Peter, I forgot what's that.
Can you open it now?
Ooh, that's so cool. So this is gonna be the spout. So it's not messy. So there's the blue one. So non-toxic na siya. Strong bubbles, non-toxic. So if you open this,
You eat it.
because it's non-toxic. No, it's not good. So it's bubbles. But this is, just in case it will go. No, it won't. It would go in your lip.
Don't make it shit.
Yep, that's correct.
Maybe I'm also good to open it.
I'm just putting the spout. So there's the red one. And I like that. Here on the spout. Good thing their favorite color, Matthias, is blue and Ezekiel is red. So perfect. So they're right there. More easy to refill. Refill. So yan. Or easy. I know. Oh, it's fine, Mami. It doesn't matter, Mami. But that's correct. That should be in the other. Hey, what's happening? That should be in the other. I'm just getting like this as long as it will. It's just hard. Oh, Ezekiel. This is how his spout daw. Yes, that's for the red one. It doesn't matter naman tanaw. So yan ang makaganda. May spout. Mura siya laundry detergent. This one. Tanto mag-refill that ano ko. Nice, ginawa lang siya. I will try it now. So muna na siyang up. Yan. You work, of course.
I thought there no hole.
This is the
Is it full in here?
Ayan.
Hindi na enough, Mom.
This one po. Like two. Okay. Then down. Lock. So you press it down to lock Ezekiel, okay?
Okay.
Let's see.
Sit down.
Yay. Yan. Yan. So it's gonna be your kuan. Gusto mo na nila mag-iya-iya. Iya-iya. Kunin ka Ezekiel. Ano sila yung sarili nilang kuan. So perfect na siya pala binag summer na. Usod kayo ang kuan ang bubbles. Hindi daglan na give it to me. So nice ni siya kapalit na kabaton kung mahal mo siya eh. Tumay sa 32 ounce so 2 ka 32 pounds. Yan. 2 32 ounce non-toxic. So yan siya. So palit na ka din bisag asa ng mga bubbles. Tapos imuha na siya refill din ho. Kaya nindot man ang isa spout mo. Di siya mo nagalagabot. Pag nabata ang makawid. So yan. Nakunin lang bubble bangan. Yan. Ito ni kasi kay Matthias. Siya ka nang sudla lang dito sa laundry detergent. Cute kayo siya. Ayan, bubble ko. Naglama na anak ng atong langisan. Ayan. Cute floss for kids. Kids flossers. Kay giraffe ang design. Ano sila? Ayan. Duha siya in one pack. So, kids flossers. Fluoride free. Ano yung isa? Ano? Ang early na abot ang daan ng ilig. Ano ito din eh? An! Ang akong napkin. May cotton top liner. Muna ang akong liners. Ano ito naman? Bilang 30 count. Muna ang akong liner. Long liners. So yan. Honey pot. 100% organic cotton cover. So na siya yung infuse. Nakumot niya siya. So yan. Tapos kinapin ang akong kuan. Ang akong pads. Kurang atong kuan. Hapin sa Sholalat 42 pads. Ayan. Made without synthetic pesticides. Cotton top layer. So yan. L is for love. Oh, L is for love. Mission. Ayan siya. So yun, small lang siya. Akong napkin. Napkin tawag. Pads yan, pads. So in Philippines we call this napkin. Here na sa US, pads. Nako. Ano na siya, atong Amazon haul. Amazon haul.